Hello friends, today unboxing and review of Samsung 43-inch TV, smart TV. This is Samsung 43-inch UA43T5300AU. It is the model. This is 2020 model and 2020 model. We will just connect Wi-Fi. Already it is power on. We are connecting Wi-Fi for Samsung 43-inch smart TV. Done. Wireless connection. It's connected. Okay. Press home button. This is the remote. Volume. Okay, one by one we will open the all apps. You can download apps and it is already downloaded. Netflix, Prime, Disney, Apple TV, YouTube. These all apps are there. Let's try Netflix. You need username and password subscription for Netflix. It is just testing. You can check the volume, quality. This TV is with power cable, TV and remote and wall. There's no legs. So we press exit. Okay, we'll check the next app. Prime Video. You also need subscription. Just testing. Amazon Prime Video. Sign in required for the Prime. Let's exit. Exit the application. We will try now YouTube. Other apps you can try by yourself. These are the main common and useful apps. This is the YouTube. Just play anything. We will play this Dubai. Check the result.
Wearing hiking shoes on campus?
Close this TV.
Why would you do that? David. You call this a job? KP.
Can try another video. Video is not good. Let's try another video and we'll check the quality.
ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਰਹਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਜੱਟਾ ਸੁਨੀਆ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਏ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੁੰਨੀਆ ਨੀ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਰਦੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਜੇ ਪੁੱਛਾਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਰਦੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਜੇ ਪੁੱਛਾਂ ਵਰ ਕੀ ਰਹਾ ਪਰਛਾਵਾਂ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੁਲਾਵਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਦੀਏ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੁਲਾਵਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਦੀਏ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੁਲਾਵਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਦੀਏ
Try another. It also has a Netflix button and Prime Video button. It's the original remote of this TV. Let's test this button. Directly press Netflix. Netflix coming. Directly Prime is coming. So this is how it is. Press home and exit. That is. So this is your TV. All the apps. This is your remote. Okay, brothers.